Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can design professional sweatshirts for dropshipping or merchandise using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the print products section, and here you have a few categories like popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, and cards and invites. Then go to marketing or clothing. You can find at both categories the sweatshirt category. Then tap on sweatshirt, and then Canva is going to create for you a editing file which already has the exact size, ratio, and quality that you will need for a sweatshirt design. And from here you can either upload your images, your logos, or if you already have a design, you can add it too. Here you can add text and all the design elements that you need. But you can also use the templates section, where you can find the sweatshirt design templates that are all created by professional designers. So you can add these templates by just tapping on them, and after that you can go and customize all these templates just by tapping, and you can change the text, as you can see, that are included in the design. You can change the colors, the font, and really anything. So these are highly customizable. You can even add your own logo to it. So I think this is a great way to create professional but unique designs for your store or merchandise or dropshipping or anything. For example, science teachers, this is the front design and this is the back design. And yeah, you can print these designs on any color of sweatshirt. It would look beautiful. So you can change the colors, you can change the font, you can add or remove parts. If you add a design like this, which has a photo, you can very easily change the photo by adding a new photo and adding it to the photo section. As you can see, do it again. That's it. And you can change the photos. So I'm just showing you that it is how easy it is to customize these templates. So I think feel free to use these templates. These are all kind of beautiful, and it is easy to create well-selling design with these templates. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.